January, February, March, April, Monday, Tuesday。你竟然又唱歌啦，搞書！有啲英文有限公司嘅同學仔，佢話有冇生字可以背㗎？我話 listening 有生字可以背嘅咩？你唔好講，我真係有喎。Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday。Jungkook最難係邊個字？Wednesday 冇錯，冇串錯啦。跟住啦 ，January, February, March。April 通常串錯啲咩 ？February 冇錯，係唔識串㗎。你唔好講喎。聆聽呢，我真係有啲卷呢係俾 Form 1 2，佢哋真係唔識串 February 嘅喎。February 咯，冇咗個 R 咯，真係唔識。但係佢個秘技喎，佢話啦，如果你唔識串字，你可以用外語㗎。嗱，官方網講㗎，唔係我吹㗎。即係我夠膽咁權威話俾你知，咁 firm 呢，係因為佢自己講嘅。我原汁原味 copy 俾你睇嘅。唔識串 February 呢？唔好逞強啦，你寫2啦，你唔好懶係咁 generous 啊，你認咗佢啊，你唔識串就唔識串啊 ，OK？